Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, September 12th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the dollar yen, I still think this is likely the end of a wave 5, and if it is, eventually it probably will take out the low of wave 4. Probably going to have to make a big pullback at some point, which likely will be a crutch into this move down right here. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I definitely am still calling this whole move down either a wave A or a wave 1. Like I was been saying, it's definitely, in my eyes, not important to know the difference between a wave A or a wave 1 because the trading strategy is looking for shorts on shorter time frames for either scenario. I would expect at some point, probably even within the next week or so, to start a move to the upside for either a wave B or a wave 2, which the trading strategy is exactly the same for a wave B and a wave 2 also. So taking it down to the daily time frame, the trend is definitely still down on the daily, weekly, and monthly. So I'm definitely still primarily looking for shorts in a downtrend. It does kind of seem like it would be a likely area for this to turn up and break structure and start a big move to the upside, potentially for that wave B or 2. But until the market actually proves that it's doing that, we've got to be a little bit cautious because it could always make a lower high and just keep on going down. The trend for me is not over until I get confirmation with a nice breaker structure. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, my most recent structure is right here. So if price goes up and breaks that, then I'll be more than happy to start looking for longs at the end of every single pullback that I see from that point on. Otherwise, like I said, I would be cautious going long because there's no reason why this couldn't make another lower high, and just keep on going down. The trend is your friend, and the trend is not over until the market tells you it's over. So heading down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, like I said, it does seem kind of likely like it will break structure to the upside. I'm personally not going to go long until it actually does break structure to the upside, and then I won't even go long then. I'll probably wait for a pullback after the structure break in order to get long. But like I said, be careful because it easily could make a lower high, and if it does make a lower high and then go off and move down with a breaker structure, you better believe that I will be sorting it because the trend is your friend, and there's no proof that the trend is over yet. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.